gosh, these are shorter than
yeah.
Ron.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, that would be a disabler probably. I can't even do that.
Right.
That was a slice.
Yeah, we're both very stabbed in the arm.
These are so short. Wow.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, see, I guess that this a little less usable too.
Right. I've been using it more to actually get cuts on you.
I see.
Than to, right like that. Oh, that would have been bad.
That's what I love about daggers. You don't need much. Oh yeah.
We're both so good.
Yeah.
All right, let's do a reset.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so dead.
Yeah, see, that's one thing I think in this instance where I like Fiore is like, really wants to grab
Yeah, right.
the arm.
Yeah.
Got my arm.
Yeah, we're both bleeding now.
Yeah. Almost.
Got my hand there.
Woo.
Barely.
Yeah, man, there's so many more misses in this. Yep. That would have been
All right. Oh man.
Got the honor
right
here.
Right, exactly.
Otherwise, I just been writing.
Right. Yeah.
Gosh, can't wait for that to end.
I know that's the only difference. It's like I gotta getting in a writing major. You're like, oh, thank God, writing classes.
Yeah, I mean, like,
and then everyone else is like, can you write my paper for me? Like, edit my paper for me.
coming from like undergrad where it's a lot of calculations and
Right.
more like hypothesis-driven
Right.
work. Doing this
If you're
social science work has been. I prefer writing. I don't like exam. I'll take the
oh
writing.
yeah, absolutely. When you
So-
got time to think about it, yeah. It's great. Mark Twain always said, "I apologize because I didn't have enough time to write short." You want to go again? You guys good? Okay, cool. Actually, best of three. So you got me first. Oh. Say goodbye to your hands.
Not long, I don't have a long.
Yeah, it doesn't stop you from fighting though.
I can still fiddle.
Yeah, the master can block it with your hands and then
Listen, what is walking on my face?
it sure is. There. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Okay, good. You got it. Didn't see that at all.
Oh man, that was
Good.
a good grab.
think we doubled there. I think we're both severely debilitated from that
Yeah,
one. So
that
let's
one.
go again.
I no longer have a word.
Your arm is cut to pieces. You're bleeding out. I'm bleeding out from the chest and face.
There's
I'm
just no winners. There's
Right.
no winners.
I die here. You die in the hospital.
It's kind of like with like longsword. It's like, uh-oh, you traded. That person's gone immediately. You're gonna die of sickness in a week.
Very realistic straightening of my knife.
Yeah, it's just so many like bluff charges.
Yeah.
and It's like wild animals just, sizing each other up kind of thing.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
That arm's almost mine. Guard, that was good. 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 Almost count that one. That was nothing. Ah, there you go. Very good. All right.